Welcome to the new age of manufacturing, one where data powers every smart move. Today's leaders know that relying on gut feeling or slow reports isn't enough. Data-driven strategies help you avoid costly mistakes, keep quality high, and streamline your operation. Odoo 18 and the upcoming Odoo 19 bring you the dashboards and analytics made for manufacturers who want real-time transparency and quick action. Let's see what they can do. Imagine walking onto the factory floor and instantly knowing where every team stands. With Odoo 18's live dashboards, you track machine uptime, throughput, and spot bottlenecks before they become trouble. Compare performance across shifts, zero in on trends, and get alerted to problems as they happen. You'll gain the power to make improvements before production ever stalls. Quality and inventory delays don't have to catch you off guard. Odoo's dashboards put quality checkpoints, inspection trends, and inventory data at your fingertips. You'll easily spot shortages, prevent over-ordering, and see where waste creeps in. Real-time forecasting means materials are where they need to be, so your reputation for delivering on time and reducing costs only gets stronger. But the future holds even more. With Odoo 19, deeper analytics and AI-driven recommendations help you spot issues before they grow and respond quickly to changes in demand. Drill straight from a dashboard summary to the root causes with a click, and unite all your production, supplier, and quality information in one platform. You'll see not just what happened, but what's likely to happen next. You don't have to imagine this future for your factory. It's here now. Let our experts show you Odoo's newest features in action with a demo built around your needs. We'll help you plan your shift to transparent, data-driven manufacturing so you make smarter decisions every shift. Get in touch today, link in description. Let's build the next version of your business together.